Hi everyone, today we will do a friendship bracelet made on my junkie that I have for long years ago. $1.89 to ply, and it's too big for my machine, and I don't have enough to do a project, so I decide to do some bracelet. So I go and doing a loop, twist it one time, take this part, and then I will go and grab it, pull, grab it and pull, and I will do that all the time till I reach at least 30 centimeter for an adult and maybe 20 to 25 for kids. So I've measured the length of the hooking part, because it's like hook but without a hook. It's like crochet without a hook. It's my friend Pierrette who showed me that trick like 2 or 3 years ago when no, more than that. It's when I start my channel. She was here with me and we were doing a video and she showed me that trick. And today I was like thinking what to do with this yarn, and I decided to do the Pierrette tricks. She learned that from her dad when she was little, and she showed me how to do it, and I really enjoyed that thing. And I actually did a lot of little bracelet like this for my kids friends, so it looked great. And you could also use that technique if you do slippers and you don't know how to use a crochet or hook. You could do that. And for a pair of slippers, usually it's 110 or 115 stitch for an adult. So maybe if you go and do like 60 to 70 centimeter, you could be perfect for slippers. So I continue like that. And I did with some other colors too, like you could see in the picture at the beginning of the video. It's a small project and it's easy to use our leftover yarn, and if the yarn you have left is too thin, just put that with another one, and you could do that with a double yarn. If you double your yarn, it will be a little bit thicker and it will be as cool as it is already. The video is not long, it's only like 6 minutes, but I think it's okay. I will show another video like this with the left ends, so lefties will be more comfortable, because sometimes when you do crochet or something like that, left hand person are having some difficulties, so I will do it on another video with lefties because I practiced myself and I did it. So for close it, you just cut the yarn and pass through the loop and pull. And you could also use that to do like a bow to put on your hat or any decoration or dolls. It's always a way to use it. So I will do a bow. I did 2 loops like this, twist it, and voila, I got a bow. So that could be an option. Also used for your slippers. And then I will cut it and remove the thread, the twist, with the tip of my wool needle, and then I will brush it. So that way it will give a cool look. Brush it with a brand new toothbrush. I never use it, promise. I always use that one for the craft. It's always good to have accessories close to us when we do. So I cut the other side, and I will do the same thing with the tip of my wool needle. I will go and remove the twist. It's only a 2-ply, so it's very fast to do. And then I will brush it with my toothbrush. so it will be soft and cute. There. You could twist it just a little bit like this. There. So you got a bow. So now I will show how I did the bracelet like this. It's very easy. I just put that around my, like this, it look like this, and just I will go around it like this. You won't be able to see it correctly because I did it all in one end. I should ask for somebody to attach it on me. So first knot, and I will do a double knot. I will put one side in the old, like this, pull it. I didn't know I was able to do that with one hand. What you could do on the video. There, so voila, that's done. Hope you enjoyed this little video. See you next week for a new video. Ciao ciao. Happy Easter.